Okay. I'm going to put my light on, hang on. Oh, shine the light, that's it. Yeah, it seems to have. Maybe not. That was a good one. This just... It's certainly not normal, is it? Whoa. No, nothing like. Okie dokie, I'll go through to the front, I think, and see if it's any brighter out there. I doubt it, but okie doke. I'll see you either later or tomorrow, depending if you still have a planet left. Oh, good Lord. Wow. Okay, I'm going out the front. See you later. Bye. Good Lord. It looks like we're now getting hailstones. Yep, definitely hailstones. The weather in Southport has gone bananas. Oh my Lord, look at that. I'm stood on the porch and my feet are now crunching on hailstones that have blown into the porch. It's just, this is wild. Oh my lord, look at that. I don't know if it'll show on the video, but there's like a light hopping about on the camera screen. I don't know what that is. I'll have to wait and see. Wow. It now seems to be calming down a bit, but that was so strange. It's still absolutely pitching down the drain. Oh my goodness, it's back again. So that was two passers-by. I bet they're so glad they've got hoods. And they've put the hoods up. I think the major part's over now, so I'm going to stop videoing and get back inside because my hands are blue. I'm actually stood in the porchway, so I'm a bit sheltered, but damn, it's cold. Oh, more lightning, it's not over yet. I don't know if the video sound is picking it up, but the geese are going nuts. I can hear so many geese. They're in the distance and it is quite faint, but there's hundreds. Can you hear the geese? They are so disturbed. I mean, how often do we hear geese in December? How often? We just don't. Okay, well, I don't suppose there's much else can add to this. I could stand here filming all night. But I'm going to go inside now and Google the weather and see what it has to say about this. The roads are nearly flooded. Look out to the water. It's someone going past over there, they're on their phone. I imagine talking to somebody, asking what the hell is going on. Okay, there's, like I say, there's nothing much left of video now, so over and out. And that's it.